day. Thank you for calling Sunrise Hotel and Resort. This is Marinette from the reservation desk. How may I assist you?
Good day. I'd like to room a reservation, please.
Certainly. May I have your full name, please?
Name is MJ Desus.
Thank you, Mr. Desus. May I also have your contact number?
Yes, it's 0917-123-4567.
Okay, sir. May I know your preferred check-in and check-out dates?
I'll be arriving on September 15 and checking out on September 17.
Okay, sir. That's 2 nights. How many rooms will you need? And what type of rooms do you prefer? Single, double, or suite?
One double room, please. Non-smoking.
Noted, sir. One non-smoking double room for 2 nights. Do you have any special requests?
Yes, if possible, a room with sea view.
Of course. I make a note for a sea view room. Subject to availability, may I confirm the payment method? Will you be paying by card or upon arrival?
I'll pay by card.
Thank you. Let me repeat the details to ensure everything is correct, Mr. MJ Desus. Contact number 0917-123-4567. One non-smoking double room with a sea view. Check-in on September 15, check-out on September 17. Payment by card, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Your reservation is confirmed, Mr. Desus. Thank you for choosing Sunrise Hotel and Resort. We look forward to welcoming you. Have a great day.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Goodbye and thank you for calling Sunrise Hotel and Resort.